Dates. You've probably seen or heard something about these wonderful, unique fruits, but may have never even tried one. This ancient superfood has been enjoyed for thousands of years and is packed with nutrition, flavor, and versatility. From boosting energy to detoxing your digestive system, this tiny fruit has a lot to offer. Who knows, they might be the hidden superfood you never knew you needed. Dates are a nutritious and delicious candy-like fruit with a shocking number of health benefits. I like to eat 2 dates every day and have noticed some remarkable benefits. They're quite a delicious treat with no added sugar. Some people have trouble digesting fructose, the natural sugar in dates, so it's important to find the right amount for you. A typical serving size for most is 2 to 3 dates per day. One of the primary benefits of eating dates, and why I like to eat 2 a day, is their ability to detox the digestive system. They have a natural source of fiber, which can help to flush out toxins and waste from the body. They can help to improve digestion and prevent a variety of digestive problems such as constipation, bloating, and gas. The high fiber content can also make you feel fuller faster, helping to moderate portions for weight loss. For some, the high fiber content can cause discomfort, so make sure to start small and find a right portion for you. In addition to their digestive benefits, dates can also help support the nervous system. They are a rich source of potassium, which is an important mineral for maintaining healthy nerve and muscle function. Getting proper levels of potassium found in dates can also help to reduce stress, anxiety, and other nervous system related conditions. Another benefit of dates is their ability to improve metabolism. They contain natural sugars such as fructose and glucose, which can help to boost energy levels. They won't fuel you for the whole day, but if you're in need of a quick energy boost, try having a date or 2 with some almonds. Dates are also a good choice for those looking to lower their risk of heart disease. They contain antioxidants such as polyphenols that reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative stress. Antioxidants are proven to help reduce the risk of heart disease, as well as other chronic health conditions. If you found this video helpful so far, hit the like button and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips in 2023. Dates are also great for bone health. They contain a variety of essential minerals, including calcium and magnesium, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals can also help to prevent osteoporosis and other age-related bone conditions, and even improve strength in other facets of your health and fitness goals. Finally, dates can also be good for brain health. The high amount of antioxidants, which are good for heart health, can also help to protect the brain from damage. Other nutrients found in dates, like magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6, and iron, can also help to improve cognitive function and memory. Now that you've seen the immense benefits of dates, let's see how you can incorporate them into your diet. It's actually quite easy and delicious. They can be eaten on their own as a sweet and healthy snack, or used as a natural sweetener in recipes for smoothies, baked goods, and other dishes. They can also be added to trail mix, granola bars, and other snack foods for a healthy and satisfying crunch. I personally love having 2 dates and a handful of almonds. If you are sensitive to fiber, fructose, or have irritable bowel syndrome, dates may not be the right choice for you. When it comes to their price, dates are a relatively affordable option, especially when compared to other health foods. On average, they cost about 90 cents per serving or 2 dates. They can typically be purchased in bulk at lower cost, making them a great value for those looking to eat a healthy and nutritious diet. These wonderful ancient superfoods are one of my favorite options for a sweet and healthy treat. The array of benefits is truly surprising. Incorporating dates into your diet is an easy and delicious way to improve your health and well-being. So give dates a try today. Sources for the information found in this video are provided in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you're interested in more healthy lifestyle tips, press subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for investing your time into improving your overall well-being.